Hello mga kapatid! So it's another cooking series again, and it's another recipe to share with you all. So this time we're going to make a fish soup, Chinese style fish soup. So you just need to corn, carrot, vegetables, onion, tomato, and the potato. And choy sam yung laging nilalagay namin dito, or you can have your bok choy or yung pechay sa atin, pwede yun. So you just pan fry the fish. Pero first, you need to cut and clean your vegetables. At clean din yung fish nyo. So, ang maganda dito kasi sa HK, fresh na fresh yung mga gulay. Especially, I love their tomatoes. So, ang gaganda ng mga tomatoes dito, ang lalaki. Tapos, basta, juicy siya. Maganda yung tomatoes dito. Maganda yung mga vegetables, fresh na fresh. Kahit yung fish nila, fresh. Buhay pa gumagalaw. So, ayan, you need to cut like this all your vegetables. Yung bigger size. Huwag naman yung maliit kasi mas smash yun siya. So, yung carrot, tugasan nyo na din it. Corn, and then onion, cut into like this, and tomato. And then, usually, pinapan fry ko muna yung corn ko, potato, and the carrot. Kasi para fragrant siya. Mas masarap yung ginaganon siya. And then, after that, you need to pan fry your fish. So, napakadali lang pan fry the fish with ginger. Pan fry the fish, and after that, you need to add, after you pan fry, you need to add only water, and then add the vegetables. And that's it. Boil for 45 minutes or 1 hour. It depends to you if what you like. Pero mas masarap na yung 45 minutes. So, yun lang. Tapos, add your green vegetables after the fish cook and all the carrots. And that's it. You got have your yummy fish soup na. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan niyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.